Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening OneNote and creating that notebook now. Choose OneDrive if you want sync. Once created, make 3 sections: inbox, projects, reference, because immediate organization prevents chaos. Create your first page, title it with today's date and a 1-line summary, add relevant tags for follow-up. This first step gives structure and searchability, so you don't waste time later. Make sure to set a default section or color. It speeds navigation when you add quick notes. Now you capture content fast. Use quick notes, the web clipper, or paste screenshots directly into pages. Once items are in, organize by dragging them into the correct section or copy and paste blocks to build project pages. This creates logical flows. Tag each item to do, important, question, because tags let you filter across notebooks. You'll locate action items in seconds. Also use subpages for depth, and link pages together so context stays connected as your notebook grows. Finish by reviewing and consolidating. Scan your inbox daily, complete or tag the top 3 actions, and move finished content to reference. When you need collaboration, use the share button and set edit or view permissions. Make sure to sync before you send the link so collaborators see the latest. If something goes wrong, force a sync and check OneDrive status. If sync still fails, export the page as PDF and re-import or share that file. That troubleshooting step saves data and keeps workflow moving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.